All right, this time we're going to look at what would happen if there was an increase in demand and how does that affect the market graph and the representative firm. So we're going to again start at the long run equilibrium. So the market graph is on the left. We have supply and demand where the equilibrium price is P1 and the equilibrium quantity is big Q1, and so that's the size of the market. And then on the right hand side we see the representative firm with the little q1 as the long run equilibrium quantity being produced by each firm. That's the efficient scale, and they're operating at zero economic profit. Well, what if there was an increase in demand? Well, that would drive up the demand curve from D to D2. And so the price would rise in the market from P1 to P2. And that higher price in the market, firms would have an incentive to increase their output. And they would look to where that price is equal to the intersection with the marginal cost, and they would increase from little q1 to little q2. And because that higher price is higher than the average total cost, they're going to have an economic profit per unit. And so times are going to be good for the firms in that marketplace. But then, because of the free entry and exit of firms in perfect competition, firms are going to see that are outside of this market are going to see, hey, look at what's going on in that market. Firms are earning excess profits. We should start producing those units. We should start to produce that good. And so we're going to see an increase in supply from S to S2 as we see an increase in the number of sellers attracted into the market by the excess profits. And as the number of firms increases and the output increases in the market, we're going to see that the quantity being produced increases as well. And so the price gets driven back down to P1, and so we go back from little q2 to little q1 for each individual firm, but overall the size of the market will have grown.